help me. Make sure that everyone here has a paper. Sing around with
I'm vlogging. Gotta get the content. Exactly. Look at that cool little painted house situation.
This is the Haus der Kulturen, so it's like a museum slash event space where they do a lot of art galleries.
Okay. What the heck is that?
That's called there's where the Chancellor is sitting.
The Chancellor?
Yeah, so like the President, basically.
Oh, okay.
It's the White House of Germany. So
really? It is. It's like, I just feel like it's just very accessible. You know, like our White House is wrapped in gates, right? This feels like I could just like go over there.
Like the after, behind the building, the parks and stuff and everything. So that's the real building, and there are like more fences in between.
Interesting. Dr. Yens, do you know what this building is right here? Is it a museum?
Oh, that's the ice stock, and it's the Capitol.
Oh, like the Parliament. Okay.
Parliament, exactly. So that's the main Parliament thingy. This long building here, that's where all the politicians have their offices.
Oh.
That's the information and everything.
I thought the other guy had me. There's no way it's not Rachel. There's no way.
The same words. She wants to be fresh, but lightly, no boobs, no ass. Okay. But everything else.
No boobs, no ass. I can't.
Are you ready, Rachel?
You're amazing, Rachel! A lot of people in Berlin while I was up there. Oh, there's a train. Yeah, look at this fish. Y'all, look at this fish tank in my room. It's actually my TV. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. It's so cool. I am about to lay it down, nap it down, take a nap. I'm exhausted on a long day, to say the least, but I had a blast. So much fun. I may wake up later and do some exploring, or I may wake up later, get some food, and go back to sleep. We gonna see. I don't know exactly what time it is. I think it's probably like, maybe like 6 o'clock. So maybe I'll get up around like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Again, we gonna see. Back to Coachubella. You see, I got some fanciness on my eyes here. Fanciness. They got us doing the most today. Okay. Let me just unplug this. They got us doing the most today. We had games. We had, what else? Food, drinks, presentation, a panel. And now we're going back for the evening festivities, which includes dinner, I think a talent show, and I don't even know what else. Basically, the thing is not even over till 4 a.m. That's the type of event that this is, 4 a.m. This is the outfit of the day. y'all not gonna be able to see this wonderful jacket that I got from TK Maxx, not TJ Maxx, TK Maxx. But it's cute though. It's cute. I got this shirt from TK Maxx as well. It's cute though. So it's a little layer situation, like, because I was like, I don't want to be hot while the sun is out, but I don't want to be cold when the sun goes down. So I had to get a sweater to bring, so I don't like being cold. So yes, we cannot take any video, we cannot take any pictures. They literally put stickers. I'm about to take the sticker. Hold up. Let me see. This is the sticker that is on, that they put on your camera when you go inside of a techno club in Berlin, apparently. So they put it on the front of your camera and they put it on the back of your phone, right? The back of your phone, the front of your phone, so you can't take any pictures while you're in there. Apparently that's a thing here in Berlin. So there'll be no video, there'll be no pictures, but I fully plan to enjoy myself. Hair. I'll let y'all know how it goes. The other thing that I wanted to point out was that people in Berlin be smoking. Like, I mean, like cigarettes. I feel like I never see people in the United States smoking cigarettes. I don't know if it's because you can't smoke inside, you gotta go around the corner, I don't know. But I've seen so many cigarettes, way more cigarettes in this 3-day period than I have seen in years in the United States. And then I was like, if people are actually going to smoke in the United States, they're not using a cigarette, they're using a little electrical cigarettes. Honey, cigarettes. I was on a boat yesterday, one boy had a cigar. I was just like, next thing I knew, I was in a cloud of smoke. Like, I was like, oh, I got to go to the front of the boat because y'all tripping. So yeah, that's the thing in Europe. They still out here smoking these cigarettes, y'all. For the show. Tearing them lungs up. Okay? Don't tear your lungs up. For what? For why? Alright, I'm going for real now.
Boy, we had a time last night. Boy, we had a time last night. I'm just...
Frankfurt Central Station, you have connecting service on ICE to Hamburg via Kassel, Wilhelmsburg, Göttingen, Hannover, departure 11 minutes past 10, platform 8. ICE to Basel via Mannheim, Karlsruhe, Bad, departure is 10.